Want bigger muscles? You need muscle hypertrophy. This is the process that makes your muscles grow larger and stronger over time. It's not just about lifting weights, it's about understanding how your body works and how you can optimize your workouts to achieve the best results. Muscle hypertrophy means making your muscle fibers bigger and stronger. When you engage in resistance training, your muscle fibers undergo stress, which leads to tiny tears in the muscle tissue. It's like leveling up your muscles. Over time, as these fibers repair and grow, your muscles become more defined and powerful. How do you do it? Let's dive in. First, you need a well-structured workout plan that includes a variety of exercises targeting different muscle groups. Our bodies have these amazing things called hormones. These chemical messengers play a crucial role in muscle growth and repair. Testosterone and growth hormone are like the building blocks of muscle growth. They help stimulate protein synthesis, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. They help repair and grow your muscles, making you stronger. After a workout, your body goes into recovery mode, where these hormones get to work. But here's the secret sauce: strength training. This type of exercise is specifically designed to increase muscle mass and strength. It's the magic bullet for muscle growth. Exercises like bench presses, squats, and deadlifts are particularly effective. When you lift weights or use resistance bands, you create tiny tears in your muscles. This might sound bad, but it's actually a good thing. Don't worry, these tears are good. They signal your body to start the repair process, which leads to muscle growth. Your body then repairs these tears, making the muscles bigger and stronger. Over time, with consistent training and proper nutrition, you'll see significant improvements in muscle size and strength. Let's talk about exercises. Lifting weights is fantastic. It's not just about building muscle, it's about improving your overall health and fitness. Strength training can boost your metabolism, enhance your mood, and even help with better sleep. Start with lighter weights and gradually increase as you get stronger. This progressive approach helps prevent injuries and ensures steady improvement. Remember, consistency is key. You can do bicep curls, bench presses, squats, so many options. Each exercise targets different muscle groups, giving you a well-rounded workout. Mix and match to keep things interesting. Resistance bands are awesome too. They offer a different kind of resistance compared to weights, and are great for adding variety to your routine. They're portable and perfect for home workouts. You can easily pack them in your bag and take your workout anywhere. Try bicep curls, tricep extensions, or even banded squats. These exercises can help you build strength and flexibility. Body weight exercises like push-ups and squats are great for building strength too. They require no equipment and can be done anywhere, making them perfect for any fitness level. Now let's talk fuel. Your muscles need the right kind of fuel to grow and recover effectively. Without proper nutrition, all your hard work in the gym could go to waste. Just like a car needs petrol, your muscles need protein to grow. Protein is essential for repairing and building muscle tissues after intense workouts. Aim for around 55 grams of protein per day if you're a woman and about 70 grams if you're a man. This can vary based on your activity level and specific fitness goals. Think of protein as the building blocks for those bigger muscles. Good sources include chicken, which is lean and packed with high-quality protein. Fish is another excellent source, rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Don't forget about plant-based options like beans and lentils, which are great for vegetarians and vegans. Eggs are also a versatile and nutrient-dense choice. Make sure you're eating enough to support your muscle-building goals. Consistency is key, so plan your meals and snacks to include a variety of protein sources throughout the day. This will help you stay on track and achieve the results you desire. Rest is just as important as exercise. When you rest, your muscles repair and grow even stronger. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Listen to your body. If you're feeling sore, take a break. Remember, consistency is key. Keep at it, fuel your body right, and you'll see amazing results. Now go and crush those workouts.